Hello everyone! I'm so excited to have you join us today for a very special episode of the Nita Show. Today, we're diving into the delicious and colorful world of fruits with some fruits fun riddles. Get ready to put on your thinking caps as we challenge your brains with some fruity puzzles and riddles. Are you ready to have some fun? Let's get started with Nita's class. I am small, round, and red. I grow on a tree, it is said. I'm juicy and sweet, a delightful treat. Can you guess what fruit I could be? Yes, you are right. I am apple. Yay! I'm yellow and long, a sunny delight. Peel me to reveal a tasty sight. Kids love me for my creamy texture. Guess which fruit I could be? I am banana.
Yay!
I'm a berry, bright and red. On short green stems, I'm often spread with tiny seeds on my skin. What fruit am I? Can you begin? I am strawberry.
Yay!
I'm big and green on the outside. Cut me open, and a surprise you'll find. I have a sweet and juicy taste. What fruit am I? Can you haste? I am watermelon.
Yay!
I'm spiky on the outside, tropical and sweet. With a crown on my head, I'm quite a treat. What fruit am I? I am pineapple.
Yay!
I'm brown and fuzzy with a tangy bite. Inside, I'm green and filled with delight. Hailing from New Zealand, I'm a special find. What fruit am I? I am kiwi.
Yay!
I'm small and blue, a tiny delight. In a bowl, I look like a starry night. Packed with goodness, I'm good to eat. Can you guess which fruit I beat? I am blueberry. I'm small, round, and juicy. I come in bunches, all purple and blue. Pop me in your mouth, one by one. I'm a yummy snack, so much fun. I am grape. I'm citrusy and full of zest. In your lunchbox, I am often the best. I'm packed with vitamin C. Can you see? What fruit am I? Yes, I am orange. I'm green and smooth with a creamy taste. Used in salads or spread on toast. What fruit am I? I am avocado. Well done, everyone. Thank you so much for joining us on this fruity adventure today. I hope you had as much fun solving these fruit riddles as I did sharing them with you. If you enjoyed the episode, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on the fun. And hey, feel free to share your favorite riddles or any new ones you come up with in the comments below. I'd love to hear them.